Are you struggling under the crushing weight of debt? If you're burdened with the stress of late payments, calls from creditors, and borrowing from Peter to pay Paul, you may be thinking of filing for bankruptcy. Before you do, you should understand the pros and cons of filing for bankruptcy, including the long-term effects on your financial life. Bankruptcy is a court-supervised legal process that helps people who can no longer pay their debts get a fresh start by liquidating assets or creating a repayment plan. Bankruptcy laws also protect financially troubled businesses. Bankruptcy law is primarily located in federal statutes called the U.S. Code. And because bankruptcy filings are made in federal courts, these statutes apply no matter which state you live in. There are different types of bankruptcy called chapters in the Bankruptcy Code. For example, Chapter 7 provides for liquidation, which means a trustee sells the debtor's non-exempt assets and uses the proceeds to pay creditors, while other property may be subject to liens and mortgages. Chapter 11 generally provides for reorganization, usually of a corporation or partnership, in order to keep it alive and pay creditors over time. Chapter 12 enables financially distressed family farmers and fishermen to propose a plan to repay all or part of their debts over 3 to 5 years. A Chapter 13 bankruptcy is also called a wage earners plan. It helps individuals with a regular income to develop a plan to repay all or part of their debts to creditors over 3 to 5 years. If the debtor's current monthly income is less than the state's median, the plan will be for 3 years, unless the court approves a longer period for cause. If their current monthly income is greater than the state median, the plan is usually for 5 years. A payment plan will never exceed 5 years. During this time, the law forbids creditors from starting or continuing collection efforts. We know this is a lot to think about. If you need free legal information on bankruptcy law issues written in plain English and for help finding the right lawyer when necessary, visit LegalFix.com.